Hey guys, if you had 140,000 in your bank account or you had equity worth 140,000 in your portfolio, how would you rather spend it or how would you rather invest that money? If you ask me, we had this case recently where the client had 140,000 equity. So rather than just putting that money into one property and let it grow at 7% each year, we helped them purchase the property, like we helped them purchase two properties instead, around roughly around 500,000 each. So many people will ask, why would you pay a loan mortgage insurance and invest in two properties at the same time? The answer is very simple, according to me. If I'm not someone who's going to avoid the loan mortgage insurance because it's gonna stop my growth or it's gonna reduce my growth because I can't invest in two properties. Okay, so if let's say I've got 140,000, I can put it in one property. I don't pay any loan mortgage insurance. I avoid maybe paying another extra 10, 15,000 to the banks. But however, if I can split that money into two properties, let's say I buy two properties. Let's say each property uses maybe 70,000 each for me to settle those properties. So what's happening now is over the period of next 5 years, what's happening is those two properties, let's say they're growing at 7%. They're growing at 7%, but they're two properties, not one property. If I buy one property, my growth is gonna be just on one property. But if my money is invested in two properties and the property market is going up and the property is in the right areas, I will gain more money by investing in two properties, right? So very we need to be very careful about all these things, whether that 10,000 extra we're paying on the loan mortgage insurance or we're paying 20,000 if we're buying two properties. Is that gonna still end up giving us a better value, or should we just buy two properties which will grow up higher in values, and that means we are growing our portfolio in a much faster way? So I wanted to keep this video really short, so it's only about 2 minutes. I know it's a detailed topic and it depends on situation to situation, but I just want to try and make my videos very small and specific. So because I value your time and I value my time as well. But yeah, I want to give you very short videos, some golden nuggets that might help you. So signing off on this video. We'll cover some other topic in another video. Until then, have a good one. Thank you.